Hello, everybody. Today we are going to introduce adjectives. Adjectives describe a noun, and there are some major categories: shape, a shape, a material kind. I have on a cotton shirt. A color. This is a black stapler. Or size. These glasses are 2 inches tall. The man is 6 foot tall. Any of these things help describe a noun. Again, a noun is an object, place, or thing, or animal. So now we get into the fun part of describing different things. We're going to play a little bit of a game here a little bit later on, but for right now, we're just working on getting the basics down, describing something, and everything around us can be described. The wall, the lamp, the white lamp, the red wall, the blue globe, the red shirt, the hot taco, the pretty calendar, the nice pants, the pretty horse, the short lady, and the nice guy. All of these things describe people. I want to show you a video now that will explain more about what adjectives are all about.
Hi, today we're going to be working with adjectives. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. And just remember, a noun is a person, a place, a thing. It could be an animal. It could also be an idea. But for us, we're not going to be worrying about the ideas part. An adjective could be a word that describes the shape of something. It can describe how something feels. It could describe the smell of something. It could describe the sound that something makes. It can tell how something behaves. An adjective tells what color something is. An adjective tells the look of something. It also can describe the size. It can tell how something tastes. It also could be a number of how many that something has. So, for example, I have a couple of items here. Here's a lime. A lime is a noun, it's a thing. The shape of this lime, it's pretty round. So I could say an adjective to describe this would be round. It's green. It's also pretty bumpy. So that tells how it feels. I'm not going to go into too many other ones. I do want to share a couple other adjectives. So here we have a bunch of bananas. There are 4 bananas on the bunch. So there's an adjective that tells how many, 4 bananas. These bananas are not ripe. They are long, they are yellow and green, and those are some words you could use to describe the bananas. Here I have a spoon. This spoon is shiny. It's also pretty long. There's one spoon. It feels really smooth. These are adjectives. So the adjectives are smooth, shiny, the way that we're describing the spoon. I also have an octopus. This octopus stuffed toy is very, very soft. It has, wow, we've got 8 tentacles. It has a tag that is hard. It also makes a little bit of a noise. Do you hear that noise that it's making? So it looks pretty clean. The size is, it's about the size of my fist. I have one of them. It feels soft. It smells pretty fresh too. I also, here, I have this cup. This cup has water inside of it. If I was going to describe the cup has a design on it. It has some green colored teal circles. You might not be able to see. There's also some condensation on it, but it has some glitter. It's shiny. It's made of glass. It has water inside. The water is also something I could describe. The water is wet. It is very cold as well. There are ice cubes in here. I've got 6 ice cubes. So the number 6 would also be an adjective used to describe those ice cubes. I could drink it and tell how it tastes and all of that as well. Here is a hamburger. We've got lots of different colors. So there are many colors for this hamburger. It's very fluffy. It doesn't smell like a real hamburger because it's not, but a real hamburger would have lots of different smells. The shape of this, it's pretty big, and it's got like a round bun on the top. I just love how it smells. It would not taste good, so I'm not really going to describe the taste on that. So remember, adjectives just describe the noun. Here is an orange sticky note. If I peel off one of these, I notice that it is shaped like a star, so I could describe the shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points. It's also a sticky note, so it has some stickiness, and if you listen, you can hear the noise that it makes. So I can describe all of those things, and the words that I use to describe the items, the nouns, would be called adjectives. So there's a little bit of information on adjectives. I hope you have fun with the activity to do with those. Take care.
So as you can see, adjectives are really fun. They describe nouns. Nouns are person, places, things, and animals. Therefore, we are making inroads into understanding the English language and, more important, learning how to describe things. A tall man, a short woman, a pretty leather jacket, a red apple, a nice rectangular cake for your 8th birthday. Well, until next time, this is Mr. Barr on adjectives.